Welcome back. So let's continue the purchase order. Open PO report. So in the previous lecture, we started the parallel cursor method, the loop inside loop. Okay. So here, now once we are inside the loop. So what we have to do? Now we'll get all the record here, right? So but we have to segregate 101 and the 101 moment type. If it is 101 moment, it is GR. If it is 102, it is reversal. So how will write logic? If GS underscore EKBE BWART equal to C underscore 101, that is a GR, then now for one purchase order, then can be multiple line items in this table, one purchase order and one line item. Okay, that's why here we have to sum the data. The GS underscore POGR equals to GS underscore GR plus the current quantity of this structure. So GS underscore EKPO menj. Okay, suppose there are two line item. The first time we'll get here 5 quantity. In the second loop, this will be 5 plus, let's say next we have 1 quantity. 5 plus 1, 6. So we'll get total 6 quantity here. Else if GS underscore EKBE BWART equal to C underscore 102, then this is reversal, right? So GS underscore PO GR reversal equals to that GR reversal plus the current loop quantity. End if. Fine. So now we have our main purchase order quantity in this GS underscore PO menj. We'll get the GR quantity here, and from 102 we'll get a GR reversal quantity. Now we have to calculate the balance quantity. So for the balance, our logic will come after this end if. So here we'll write the balance quantity. So GS underscore PO control space balance quantity equal to, what is the logic? So GS underscore PO, that is the order quantity, okay, minus the GR quantity plus the reversal quantity. If you check this, see here the balance quantity, there's order quantity minus GR quantity plus reversal quantity. The same logic we are writing here. Okay, the GS underscore PO balance quantity equal to order quantity minus GR minus reversal. And now we have to modify the record because currently we are into this loop, right? And we are modifying the 3 columns of this structure 1, 2 and 3. So either we can write like this, like modify GT underscore PO from GS underscore PO, save, check and activate. This will also work, but the preferred method is modify only the modified record. So how to do that? Here we have to write modify our internal table from this work area, transporting. Which column we want to transfer? We want to transfer GR underscore reverser and the balance. Save, check and activate. Okay, save, check and activate. Got it? So first we are making a loop at the main table. Then using the parallel cursor method, we are making a loop using psi index. If the records are not matching, exit the loop. If it is matching, do the calculation plus minus. Finally calculate the balance quantity. Now last what we'll do, first I will display data using the normal method, and then I will like create the performance routine for ALV output. Okay, so we write here perform, let's say display data. Double click here, click yes. This temporary I am writing. Finally, I will display the output in the ALV format. But as of now, this will work only in S/4HANA, this particular syntax. So I will display using CL underscore demo underscore output, CL underscore demo display data GT underscore PO. CL underscore demo is a class. Let me check this. Sorry, it is CL underscore demo underscore output display GT underscore PO. Okay, this temporary I am writing. This will work only as for HANA. I think this is not available in our ECC model. So now, as you know, let me open one purchase order number. So let the previous purchase order 54 number. We know here the total goods receipts are 5 only. Okay, total receipts 7, reverse part 5, and the balance 5. So let's check only this single purchase order number. First, we'll directly execute and then we'll see in the debugging mode. I'm passing here the purchase order number. If I execute, see the output. So here we can see the purchase order number, the date, vendor ID, EBLP, LOEKZ, deletion indicator, description, material ID, plant, the order quantity 10, unit of measure, vendor name, GR quantity 7, reverse quantity 2, and the balance quantity 5. Fine. Suppose I want to execute for all the purchase order. If I execute as it is, see the output. Now you can see the output for all the records in the system. Okay, here we can see complete details. For the first, the order is 28, there is no GR, balance quantity is 28. Like this, we can see all the details. Okay, so now let's learn the same, check the same in the debugging mode. It is good practice to do a debugging. So before displaying the data in the ALV output, let's do a step-by-step debugging. So I will put a cursor here. I will set a breakpoint. Execute. I will run only for single. Execute this. The debugger is getting started. Go to desktop 3. The first syntax. I will double click here on GT underscore PO. Currently no record. If I press F6, we can see one record. Press F6. Press F6, still one record is there. I'm selecting the history record. The history we can see the GT EKPO, we have 3 records. Okay, so now it is going to build data. The first loop. So we can see here the PO number and the line item number. Now this is using binary search. If I press F5, we can see size of RC equal to 0. This means that the record found. The system will start the loop from that index. Now check the moment type. See here the moment type 101. So what system will do? System will add the GR quantity. So you can see the GR quantity is 1 here. Now this will go for the second loop. In the second loop, again the moment type 101 and current quantity is 6, previous 1. So total GR will become 7. So we can see 7 here. Okay. Now the third loop. The third loop as a moment type here is a 102. So press F5. Now it is going for the GR reversal quantity. So the reversal quantity are 2. So finally after this loop, so we are calculating the balance quantity. The balance quantity is order is 10 minus GR 7, that will become 3, plus 2, that is 5, reverse quantity. I will press F5, F6, okay, and now we can see the output. So like this, till now, we have successfully built a logic for the balance open purchase order balance quantity. So next, instead of this, we'll display this same data in the ALB format that we'll learn in the next session. Thank you.